Welcome to Elevate Her Equity. I'm Tiffany Kent, a certified financial planner. I've created this channel to educate and empower women to take charge of their financial futures. But we're not just a finance channel. We're a community turning financial knowledge into power, helping you climb the ladder of financial independence and success. Today, I'm excited to share with you 3 client stories that truly make me love what I do. Each story is a journey through the complex emotions and decisions that real investors face. Our first story is about a client who faced a deep-rooted fear of investing due to a financially painful divorce. It's about understanding how past experiences can impact financial decisions. We approached her investment strategy with patience, thoroughly addressing her fears with empathy and a clear understanding. Next, I'll talk about a client who dreamed of buying a second home so her kids could enjoy their time together while on vacation. We delved into how this decision could affect her retirement and the additional costs of maintaining a second home. By exploring these emotional aspects and their risks, we addressed the true implications, guiding her towards a balanced path forward. Lastly, there's a story of a client anxious about a very large stock position. It's a common concern. We worked together to develop a strategy that combined equity and market research, also while balancing tax implications. This approach helped us manage her investment wisely while easing her fears. These stories highlight the vital role of empathy in financial planning. It's about making decisions with clarity, analysis, and confidence. If you're facing similar challenges, remember you're not alone. I'm here to navigate to help you with these complex waters. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Let's embark on this journey of being informed and make balanced, emotional, financial decisions together. Thank you for watching.